Hey guys, it's Angelo, Christian Financial. Today we're talking about investing in mortgage notes, how to make 15% returns. One of the things that we do with our company, we're a nationwide private money lender. We're always seeking capital from investors. If you're an investor out there, you're not happy, maybe the stock market is wobbly, the returns suck or they're lousy, or you're getting horrible returns in your IRA or your money market account or wherever you have it. Bonds aren't paying anything. Think about investing in mortgage notes. Okay, you can actually own the whole mortgage and be a beneficiary and earn high yield returns. So if you're an investor out there, or maybe you have a family office, or maybe an insurance fund, and you're looking for alternative investments with high yield with low risk, today that's what we're actually going to be talking about. I want you to reach out to us and give us a call at 832-431-6331. We're selling off mortgage notes all over the country, prime real estate in America, from Hawaii, California, New York, Texas, Florida, all over, great locations, commercial assets, business purpose. So first off, why would anyone want to do this? Well, because again, like I said, if you're investing in the bond market, the bonds aren't paying anything, okay? You look at the treasuries, they're horrible, the crap rates. And then the stock market, it's all over the place. Nobody knows what's going to happen with the stock market. And the other thing is that you don't have a lot of redemption rights investing in stock if something happens, versus owning a whole loan. You actually become the beneficiary on title to that collateralized real estate. So maybe you have a family office that you manage, or a fund or hedge fund, or you're a REIT and you want to buy mortgage notes. This is a great way to buy a tranche of loans or just one single loan if maybe you're a small investor. Our investors are earning large double-digit return yields. So that's the reasoning behind it. The other thing is that you have low LTV. So let me give you an example of a typical scenario of what you'd be owning if you invested with us in a mortgage note. I'll just give you a typical example of what you could see. Let's just say that a nice, beautiful piece of property in San Diego, somebody that's going to do an investment property, a multifamily, it's worth, let's just say, $2 million. I'll put it right here. See, everyone can see it. So it's a $2 million multifamily in San Diego. Okay, so $2 million, and it's a cash out refinance. We're only going to lend to, let's just say, 50% of the value. So if it's worth $2 million, we're only going to make a loan for $1 million loan. Okay, and the investor's going to pay, let's just say, 13%. It's a 2-year loan, could be a 1-year loan, and then I'll have probably, let's just say, 5 points on it. So already you own a beautiful, you become the beneficiary. You get put on title with our servicer to this property that's in San Diego. So if the borrower goes into default, you can reclaim the property. And then you obviously will get your principal back, and then plus your yield, okay? And we guarantee that with our loan. You have a low LTV. The loan's only for $1 million, and the value's $2 million. So you have a lot of protection, a lot of protective equity right there. The other thing is that you're getting a high rate of return, and we impound the first 6 months of payments into the loan, so you have those automatically coming to you through our servicer. Our servicer can just auto draft that into your account. And then, like I said, depending on how you like to do it, a lot of our loans are 2-year loans. We can do a 1-year loan, and they have a 6-month prepayment penalty on them. So you're guaranteed for at least 6 months of interest. And so this is very attractive. We only lend really in urban areas, hot spots, hot markets, San Francisco, Los Angeles, Houston, Dallas, Texas, Austin, metropolitan Miami, Orlando, Fort Lauderdale, areas like that where we're making these loans. And none of these are owner occupied. These are all business purpose, commercial loans, multifamily type assets. So if you're an investor out there and you're looking for high yield with protective equity, I want to talk to you. We'd love to work with you, whether you have a family office, an insurance fund, a hedge fund, a REIT. We definitely like to talk to you. Give us a call at 832-431-6331. We actually do a consultation to see, look at our portfolio, see the type of loans that we have for sale for you, and it could be worth your while to check us out to see, because like I said, I'm an investor and I see stuff all the time. And you want a passive income. You want an income stream coming in. Ideally, you want double-digit returns, and you want the least amount of risk. You don't want to have to take crazy risk to get your returns. And like I said, what else can you invest in where you can get a high yield with a low risk, and have guaranteed returns? We're guaranteeing this with our company, that you're going to be protected. Okay, and we're not doing any owner occupied. So the states that we lend in, if something goes into default, we can quickly foreclose on it and make sure that you're taken care of with your principal. So call me if you have any questions at 832-431-6331. We'd love to help you to grow your equity, grow your portfolio. My name is Angelo Christian, been in the markets for the last 2 decades. I'd love to help you grow your portfolio. Thank you. Bye-bye.